All machine learning projects are nothing more than variations and complications of simple statistical inference models. The starting point for these models is generally a tidy dataset that has to be cleansed for the purpose at hand. In order to gain valuable insight or build a predictive model from it, you want to study the extent to which your target variable behaves similarly or in the opposite way than the rest. ML models infer what to expect from your target variable when the others change. But the quality of these models depends on having enough highly correlated variables. What if you could enrich your dataset with thousands of live-streamed variables from open data sources? It would take ages, right? Wrong. With OpenBlender, this process can be reduced to just 3 minutes and 3 simple steps that require just a few clicks and no coding. First, your data is automatically profiled and transformed into a common numeric format. Then you'll join other datasets that overlap in time interval or geolocation area with yours, using that common feature as key column. If no exact match is found for each observation, the closest one is selected. This will add many columns to your dataset with variables that could potentially be useful for your predictive model. You may initially assess this by browsing through the correlation coefficients with respect to your target variable. Lastly, you can finish cleansing and processing your data for your specific needs and simply download it or copy and paste the API code to pull the data into a Python or R data frame. OpenBlender, correlated data from thousands of open sources.